And I just want to point out a little bit of hypocrisy here. Surprise, surprise, from the union movement. As you know, earlier this week, the New South Wales government decided they were going to give a one-off $3,000 thank you payment to particularly people who were in the healthcare sector in relation to the pandemic. Here is Dominic Perrottet, the New South Wales Premier.
A $3,000 payment in appreciation for all our health workers for the sacrifices and the efforts that they have made over the last 2 years particularly, and continue to make. We know that particularly as we head into the flu season, that our health workers continue to be on the front line and continue to make sure we have the best health care in the country, and I want to thank them very much for that.
Now, of course, there's a state election in New South Wales in March, so unions who would like a change of government, what was their reaction to the $3,000 payment?
What we saw in that announcement the other day was, in our view, a cheap political stunt to try to hoodwink parts of the community to think that Mr Perrottet cares about frontline workers.
Why am I talking about a double standard? Because guess what was announced today in Victoria by the union's favoured political party, the Labor Party, and Daniel Andrews. A $3,000 one-off payment for people who had worked in the front lines of the healthcare sector. And what was the union response when it's a government they do like, who have an election in November of this year?
If it can be providing some financial recognition, additional recognition, then we are very thankful. This package extends beyond the New South Wales package.